Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix no internet connection when Wi-Fi is connected on Android. If you're using an Android phone and your Wi-Fi is connected but still no internet connection, so what you have to do? First you have to scroll down your control panel and here you'll see the airplane mode. Just enable it and briefly wait for almost 10 or 15 seconds and then disable it again, and after that go to Wi-Fi settings, and here you can see it has been connected or internet. But if your problem hasn't, so you just need to follow the second step, which is tab on second again, and here you just have to tab on forget. Here you can see this network has been forgotten. Now tab on it again and then enter the password. After entering the password, you just have to tab on connect. After connecting, here you can see the problem has been solved. But if your problem doesn't solve, so you just need to make a last step, which is press and hold the power button and then tap on restart. And after that, your problem will be solved and you will be able to use Wi-Fi with internet. So that's how you can fix no internet connection when Wi-Fi is connected on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.